Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm thrilled to share 16 elegant neutral-toned outfits that will elevate any office wardrobe and how to style them. Each look is designed to be chic, modest, and perfect for a professional setting. So if you're ready to add some timeless style to your wardrobe, keep watching as we go through each look in detail. Look 1: white blouse and black midi skirt. We're starting off strong with a white blouse tucked into black high-waisted maxi skirt. The combination is simple yet sophisticated. The brown waist belt adds structure to the outfit. Add gold hoop earrings and a soft nude lip for a classic touch. To finish, pair with a brown-colored handbag and matching pumps, making this a perfect business casual look. Next up, we have a soft beige, double-breasted blazer with a matching knee-length pleated skirt and a tucked-in ivory silk blouse. Add subtle pearl stud earrings and keep your hair in a sleek, low bun. And nude pointed toe heels to tie everything together. Here's look 3. A deep brown high-neck long sleeves top tucked into dark brown high-waisted trousers. It's an elegant choice for a meeting day. Pair with a dainty gold necklace and pearl studs to keep things minimal. For makeup, a matte finish and neutral eyeshadow make this look feel polished without too much effort. Look 4 is all about sophistication. A gray blazer over a white turtleneck tucked into a navy blue midi skirt. It's a great choice for a professional yet elegant look. Complete the look with navy pointed toe pumps, simple gold earrings, and a sleek hairstyle. A swipe of nude lipstick keeps the makeup light and natural. For look 5, I'm wearing a classic beige blazer with a cream color slip midi dress. This beige and cream combination is timeless and makes a strong impression. Style it with a sleek low bun, matte nude lipstick, and pearl drop earrings for a touch of elegance. A structured nude handbag and matching pumps complete the look. Here we have a striped blue and white shirt with a navy tie and matching navy blue trousers, a sophisticated look for professional days. Keep your accessories simple with small gold hoops. Hair styled in a sleek short style, and a bit of peach blush adds color to the makeup. This outfit is perfect for client or board meetings. Look 7. Beige cardigan and navy trousers. This ivory beige cardigan with navy blue trousers gives a chic professional look. Style with a simple gold necklace and beige loafers for footwear. Add a soft coral lip for a hint of color. Look 8. Taupe blazer and white wide leg trousers. For look 8, I've chosen a taupe blazer paired with a matching high-neck t-shirt tucked into white wide leg trousers. The dark blazer contrasts beautifully with the light pants, creating a balanced look. Accessorize with simple gold stud earrings and a structured white handbag with a dewy makeup finish to add freshness to the look. Look 9. White shirt and deep brown trousers. This outfit pairs a white shirt with a silk cheetah scarf as a bow tie paired with deep brown tailored trousers. It's chic and effortless. Keep your makeup minimal with just a hint of blush and nude lip gloss. Small gold earrings add a touch of elegance, and I'm carrying a brown structured handbag for a professional vibe. Look 10. Black turtleneck and an ivory midi skirt. In look 10, we have a black turtle top tucked into high-waisted ivory trousers. This is a soft, chic look that feels warm yet professional. Pair with delicate diamond earrings. The makeup is kept simple with a nude lip. Look 11. Ivory blouse and beige trousers. Look 11 is all about subtle sophistication. A classic ivory blouse paired with beige formal trousers. This outfit feels timeless and professional. Keep your accessories simple with small gold earrings and hair styled in a neat low bun, with a berry-toned lipstick for a pop of color. Look 12. Blush, pink blouse and navy wide leg pants. This blush pink blouse paired with navy wide leg pants is perfect for a business casual look. The blouse is soft and flowy, and the navy pants add a bit of drama with their structured, wide leg design. Style with simple pearl earrings and for makeup, a rosy blush and a peach lip to keep it fresh. Look 13 brings a cozy, feminine touch to the office. I'm wearing a cream knit sweater tucked into a beige midi skirt, creating a lovely contrast in textures. I paired this with camel leather boots and simple gold jewelry. The makeup is minimal, with a focus on a peachy pink lip gloss for a natural look. Look 14. Blush pink blouse and gray trousers. Next, we have a blush pink blouse matched with tailored gray trousers. This combination is effortlessly professional and ideal for those busy office days. Simple gold earrings. For a finishing touch, a matte foundation with a nude lip to keep everything polished. Look 15. black turtleneck, and beige high-waisted skirt. This look is all about clean lines and neutral tones. I'm wearing a black turtleneck blouse tucked into high-waisted beige trousers. It's simple but very polished. I went with gold stud earrings accessorized. Add a bit of bronzer and a natural nude lipstick for warmth. Look 16. Ivory blazer, white shirt, and black trousers. For look 16, I've layered an ivory blazer over a white button-down shirt and paired it with black tailored trousers. The mix of textures feels soft and professional. Pair with simple gold earrings and carry a structured black handbag. Add a touch of coral blush for a light, fresh look. And that wraps up our video. I hope you loved each of these neutral, chic office looks as much as I do. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready for more styling tips and ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.